Good morning, students. In this video, I would like to explain about the why does sun appear reddish during sunrise and during sunset. In earlier video, I discussed about the scattering of light. So as I have seen that the light is scattered of the smaller wavelength. That is the light which in wavelength range that is starts from violet, indigo and blue. So in this video, so you see that the minimum wavelength range is violet, indigo and blue, and maximum wavelength of the light is yellow, orange and red. So the wavelength of the violet is 400 nanometer, 400 nanometer, and wavelength of the red is 700 nanometer. Just you see that what's the difference between the wavelength of violet and wavelength for red is. You see that here. So there is approximately the double difference, and this means these are the smaller wavelength, and in this our ear is more sensitive for the blue color. Among these violet, indigo, blue, our eyes are more sensitive for the blue color, that is they respond properly blue color, and less response to the violet. So that suppose the sun is during the sun's rising time here in the east, so a ray of light when goes from this towards the horizontal, it actually enters in the atmosphere obliquely, because at point A normal is this side and the ray goes to this direction. So it enters in the atmosphere obliquely and travels a distance AO. This distance is too much in the atmosphere. So this ray of light suffers a longer distance in the atmosphere. Therefore, there is continuous scattering of the smaller wavelength, and the radiation, suppose violet, which are scattered here, they are indigo or blue, so they give the appearance of the sky as blue. Now the light reaches to the observer at O. Observer is at this point, so observer receives the maximum light of the what is orange or red. Therefore, during the sunrise, the sun appears reddish, because the red is most dominating color among all these. So the sun during the sunrise appears reddish, and after that there is red and orange combination as it goes up. Similarly, during sunset, the sun is just at the horizon, so light coming from the sun when enters in the atmosphere, it also again comes obliquely at point B. Therefore, and it travels a longer distance in the atmosphere. This distance is too much. So therefore, continuous scattering of the smaller wavelength, that is blue end, and therefore the surrounding medium, that is the sky, appears bluish. Now what is the color of the sun? So the most of the light coming from the sun, that is after scattering reaches to observer, is dominating color red, and hence the appearance of the sun is reddish. Therefore at the sunset time again the sun appears reddish. Now what happens to the color of the sun at overhead? So at the noon, you see that the thickness of this C2O is much smaller as compared to this distance. Therefore there is less amount of scattering of blue light. Therefore we receive the all colors, but little bit less amount of, that is the smaller wavelength, and hence the sun appears yellowish or bluish color. This is the reason that during the overhead there is less scattering, or due to the less thickness of the atmosphere.